Welcome to my class. Enjoy, nurture accountancy, business and management. Joining with you, Doc Anna.
This business finance session entitled Steps in the Financial Planning Process. Based on learning competency number 10, identify the steps in the financial planning process. You are expected to follow the steps 2 and 3 in the financial planning process and business case analysis. Challenging situation which will help you to keep your sanity, puzzle or stare. Ask yourself. Which will be easier for you to remember? This financial planning process illustration. A. Put it into jigsaw puzzle, then Y. B. Make it a stairway, then Y. You get 15 points for posting immediately your clear insights. By the way, take your first step. Determine your current resources to be financially ready for business plan implementation. Another 15 points for that. Now we focus on step 2, developing financial goals, and step 3, identify alternative courses of action. Let's put it into formula. FG equals CR plus IO. What does it mean? FG stands for financial goals, or our step 2, equals step 1 CR current resources plus step 3 IO your investment options among your alternative courses of actions. Let's try step 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word that will complete the following financial goals. Number 1, to blank 100,000 pesos in health card insurance. Number 2, to blank 10% of overhead expenses. Number 3, to blank 20% of net income. Is your answer something to do with spending, saving, and investment? If yes, let's check these financial goals. Number 1, to spend 100,000 pesos in health card insurance. Number 2, to save 10% of overhead expenses. Number 3, to invest 20% of net income. Again, financial goals must focus on spending, saving, and investment anchored on company's vision, mission statements. For step 3, let's try. Categorize the following alternative courses of action. Write only the letter of your answer. A. Continue the same course of action. B. Expand the current situation. C. Change the current situation. D. Take a new course of action. The current situation is that no overtime work to ensure at least 10% company savings on overhead costs. I repeat, no overtime work to ensure at least 10% company savings on overhead cost. So answer number 1, excess on 10% savings on overhead costs will be distributed among personnel. Number 2, retrenchment. Number 3, maintain no overtime work. Number 4, increase of another 5% savings on overhead cost. Let's analyze the case. No overtime work to ensure at least 10% company savings on overhead cost. Legally speaking, when you allow your employees to work overtime, it entails additional salary expense. In this given situation, the company's financial goal is at least 10% savings on overhead costs. So to make it realize, continue the same course of action, meaning status quo. Continue the current situation, or ACA number 1 is maintain no overtime work. Expand the current situation, extend, enlarge the situation, or ACA number 2, increase of another 5% savings on overhead cost. Change the current situation, or ACA number 3, excess on 10% savings on overhead costs will be distributed among personnel. Notice what will happen to excess financial target savings. Take a new course of action, or ACA number 4, retrenchment. To lay off employees is a new action to achieve the set financial goal. Here's what your score tells you. Time to apply steps in the financial planning process. Going back to our case, how to be financially ready for business plan implementation. Step 1. Based on your answer to our assignment as a student, your current financial resources is an allowance provided by your parents or guardian. Step 2. Complete the financial goal statement. Step 3. Identify investment options, your alternative courses of action, ACA number 1, ACA number 2, ACA number 3, and ACA number 4. Send your answer via Messenger. Be reminded of our rubric for case analysis. Case solutions are relevant and realistic and analyzed prior to new session. You'll get the perfect score. Add to your generalization note for this session, complete the statement. I realized that, and I will use up steps in the financial planning process. Step 2. Develop financial goals. Focus on spending, saving, investment. Step 3. Identify alternative courses of action. ACA number 1, continue the same course of action. ACA number 2, expand the current situation. ACA number 3, change the current situation. And ACA number 4, take a new course of action. For evaluation, send your answer to my Messenger account. Your reflection upon receiving your score. For your assignment, we will continue with steps 4 and 5 of the financial planning process. Be ready to share your financial plan related to your business plan capitalization. Hoping this add on to your financial literacy. To end from the words of Pablo Picasso, Our goals can only be reached through a vehicle of a plan, in which we must fervently believe and upon which we must vigorously act. There is no other route to success.
Thank you. See you on our next journey.